back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial on this wig that I am rocking, which is so freaking pretty. So let's get into it. So this wig is going to be by Outre. It is their Color Bomb Premium Synthetic Wig. It does have the shadow root, as you can see, so it is going to be in the style SEDIYAH or SEDIYAH. The color is DSRMUSHBRN. This wig is probably gonna be about 22 to 24 inches, so you are gonna get baby hairs in the front. The lace is gonna be a medium brown. You do get 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with the adjustable straps. This wig, it does come in a variety of different colors. They more so have colors rather than natural colors, so if you are like a 1B, 1 color type of chick, you're not gonna really prefer this wig. So this wig is like really gorgeous. Like the color is really pretty. It's like a dark ash blonde looking kind of color. I really like the color. This wig, it is big head friendly. The lace, it stops about right here, so it goes from here to here. You do get baby hairs along the perimeter of the wig. It does kind of tangle a little bit. I do get a lot of shedding. But this is a long wig, so you are going to experience a lot of shedding. I love how the color is, like the transition of the color. I think it is really pretty. The part, you are going to have to kind of pluck it a little bit because it's not like straight across, and it's kind of thick like right here towards the front. So that's what I did. But other than that, this right here is a gorgeous unit. Like the color is really pretty. It's really pretty. I love the color of this unit. So I will leave the links down below on where you can purchase this unit at. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below, and make sure you have watched all my other videos. I will leave the link above, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys next time.